I'm getting closer. It's super slick. Howdy, folks. Shawn here from Hiking with Shawn. I love you too. Howdy, folks. Shawn here. So, that weird little intro. When I wear these little cycling hats, I just feel like I'm French. So that's why I did that annoying and obnoxious French impersonation. So right now I am driving around Hurst. I don't know why I didn't mean to do this. Okay, let's turn. Let's get on the highway. Nothing to see in Hurst. Not a diss. Hurst is a good little town. Just there, that's pretty much Hurst. So, little town. So as you could tell, it's raining. It's raining pretty good. Chance of severe weather today. And here I am dressed in bike attire. So the reason for that is because I'm going bike riding at Giant City State Park. In the rain, yeah, it'll be in the rain. Probably do a lot of stopping while I'm riding. Stop at the waterfall areas, take video, stuff like that. Alrighty, folks, I'm here at Shelter 1 at Giant City, and I'm just gonna do a little hiking for a little while before I go bike riding, mainly because I want to see if it's gonna get a little bit warmer. So there is a waterfall here that I can, well, I see one now. I'm gonna probably go waterfall hunting out here. I'm just gonna go check out some waterfalls. I think that's the plan. Look at this, shorts. It's the first time I've wore shorts. My legs are pale and a little slick, yeah, a little slick. Not too bad. Isn't that cool? Looks real good. And it's all flowing down into this thing. This is where I slip and whoa, fly into it. That's funny. So, pretty cool. There's a trail. I've never actually went up this thing, so that's what I think I'm gonna try to do. We'll see. See if I make it. I'm getting closer. It's super slick. Gotta be really careful. Exploring Giant City. Pretty nice little hike. Pretty cool looking area. Pretty sweet. Just have to baby step it so I don't slide down the waterfall. That's cool. That is really cool. I bet this would be really slippery on ice. That is cool. Waterproof shoes. Pretty much turns into a creek up here, but still need to see. So we went that way first. Now we're gonna follow this bluffage and go around and hopefully get to the bottom of the fall that I found one day. I'll put a little video somewhere up there. I'll put the winter one up. You can go check that out. There might be a trail to it, I don't know. I hear this thing. So off trail I go. This might be a better option right here. So in relation to where this trail is, it takes you to the waterfall. Straight ahead there, I don't know if you can see it. Let me zoom in for you. You can see a car over there. See the car? Maybe you can see the signs. That is Trillium Trail parking lot. So pretty much right across from Trillium Trail is take you to this creek. And if you go down this little trail here, you'll get to this waterfall. Found this cool little hole. Little natural shelter looking. That's kind of cool. Thought that was neat to show. Cool. So it's not a huge fall. Still cool though. Still a cool waterfall. Very cool. Isn't that neat? Thumbnail. Look at that big old knot, Nate Bucher. Wow. A lot of weird trees out here. Alrighty, still hiking Giant City. Figured I'd pull up to the Stone Fork Trail. Check out the waterfall. I don't even think I've ever really seen this thing active. Throw a little link up here somewhere. You could see this covered nice. It's pretty neat. It's a live stream though. It's not very good quality. Pretty deep. Oh, pretty deep and pretty steep. Oh. Haven't biked yet. Still waiting for it to get a little bit warmer. We'll see if it does. Looks like all the rain's moved out of the area though. That's a plus.